Let's see how to install the Zoho Mail Progressive Web App, PWA, for a faster and smoother email experience. First, open your Chrome or Microsoft Edge browser. Go to mail.zoho.in and log into your Zoho Mail account. Once logged in, look at the right end of the address bar. You'll see a small download icon next to the Favorites star. Click the icon, then click Install. That's it. Zoho Mail will now be installed as a desktop application, and it will open instantly. Next time, you can launch Zoho Mail PWA directly from your desktop or by clicking the Open icon in Chrome or Edge. With Zoho Mail PWA, you get some exclusive options. You can open any Zoho Mail link directly inside the app, or switch back to the web version anytime by clicking Open in Chrome or Edge. You can also copy a URL from your browser and open it right inside the app. When you're offline, Zoho Mail PWA works seamlessly. Your emails are stored in your browser and available even without internet access. Any messages you send while offline will sit in your outbox and automatically send once you're back online. Now, to uninstall Zoho Mail PWA. If you're using Chrome, open the Zoho Mail app. Click the three dots in the top right corner and select Uninstall Zoho Mail. You can also choose to clear the app data from Chrome. If you're using Edge, open Zoho Mail in your browser. Click the three dots near your profile icon, go to Apps, Manage Apps, and click Uninstall next to Zoho Mail. And that's it. You've successfully installed and know how to uninstall the Zoho Mail PWA. Enjoy faster access, offline support, and a cleaner experience right from your desktop. Every great solution starts with an idea. Tell us your vision, and we'll design the next steps and workflow to bring it to life. DM us or comment now. We will provide this in 1 hour.